How to fix Steam cannot verify email. To fix a Steam email verification failure, you must first of all complete the verification process on the exact same device and browser window that requested the code. Steam's security protocols will block the verification if it detects a device mismatch. First of all, keep the Steam account creation window wide open on your computer and do not close it. Make sure that you are on your desktop rather than the mobile device itself, because this feature is much more easier and more accessible for desktop users. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the official site of Steam. Once you're here within the Steam website, you simply have to now log in to your email provider via that desktop browser, then find the Steam message and click the confirmation link. If the clicking fails, right-click the green verification button and simply copy the link. Now all you have to do is simply paste that exact link manually into the new tab right next to the Open Steam window. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.